Artsnacks special travel collection. I didn't know about it. I happened to go on the Artsnacks site and they had already closed the pre-orders, and I was like, oh, but they had some extras, so I was able to get this. I think because I got an email about the Inktober, so when I went to order that, I think that's where I saw it. So, not that I'm traveling this year. I don't know, maybe next year. Ooh, that's right. Okay, let's take this out. So your sticker, that's pretty. Sticker. And a mixed media tan paper sketchbook. And this cool bag. I love bags, you know me. I love a good bag. So I have a couple of these. I have, I think I have a purple one. I may have a blue one too. So you get a little spot where you can put that stuff in, maybe pens over here, and little pouches. And it's very bright. And there's that, and then this little bag. I love these plastic bags that the stuff comes in. Sweet tarts, or not sweet tarts, Smarties. This is one of the few candies I actually like, so I'm gonna eat these. Labels coming off. So Plum Chester, that's their brand. Water-based acrylic paint marker. I don't like those bullet nibs, but it's white, is it? It's black. Oh, okay, well, I'm sure I'll use it. Little sticker. That's kind of neat. This is pencil leads and erasers, so there must be a pencil in here. Yes, that goes with it. Plum Chester again. Oh, it's a nice pencil. It's metal. Can't get it out. Yeah, it's nice, heavy. Plum Chester. I'll have to set that up. A travel collection. Oh, it says share your unboxing. I'll have to use that hashtag then. And it tells you everything that's in it. Oh, and they got prompts. Oh, that's kind of fun. Okay. And I love these. Fine liner Stabilo. Although the ones I have are more of a small bullet nib, and these are fine liners, but that's okay. Because I love these colors. These are like my colors. Kinds of pinks and oranges and reds. I mean, can't ask for more. And these are metallic pens. Oh, that's interesting. Let's open these out. They look the same as those. That's weird. Except the caps are a little, have little grooves in them. So we'll have to do a little swatchy test. King Art Metallic Fine Point. Oh, so this is the size that my other ones are. I think in Stabilo, these are an 88, and this is a 68, so that size. So we'll have to swatch those and see how they are. Oh, I love this, it's so pretty. Oh, how pretty is that? This looks like just like a little Sumi ink, like brush pen. It's in Japanese, I can't read it. Yeah, Kuretake. Yeah. It's not really a brush pen though. It's more like, I don't know. It's more like this kind of nib. Oh, I never know where the camera is anymore. It's over here? I don't know. Anyway, so there's that. That's really pretty. Let's see. What's in here? Pen holder set. Silver, gold, rose, gold with engraving. It's Hahnemühle. Oh, I know what these are. I have some of these. They're really cool. Slide them onto, now do I have anything? Little sketchbook. Yeah, I have the sketchbook. So you just slide that on. And then you can stick the pencil in like that. And it holds it. And I got 3 of them. That's cool. And it says Hanamule on them. That's neat. And then microns, but these are gray. Cool gray. Oh, those will be good. I love gray. So I got a 0.1, 0.5, and 1.0, I guess. Or is that a 10? I don't know. I can't tell. Let's look at them. Oh, 5. Oh, it is a 10. So it's a big one. And it's gray. Oh, that's nice. Okay, cool. So that's my little set. So I'm going to have to come up with, get rid of this. I don't know if you want to know about the paper. Mixed media paper, 48 pages, 184 pound. So maybe we'll test the markers on there. And the little metal thing comes off, and there's the eraser on this pencil. Hence the replacements. Is there a pencil in here? Oh yeah, there's already a lid in here. There's a little lead thing. This is a cute little set. Nice. All right. Let's see. So we'll test this one. Kiritaki. Yeah, it's pretty thin. But it's nice. The ones I have currently are pretty big. Not a loose brush, but like a stiffer brush kind of, but it's big size. It feels really neat to hold. All right, so there's that one. Let's test these metallics. Oh, they're nice. How do you spell metallic? Metallic pink. And this is, I don't know, brown, bronze, maybe? Oh, it's pretty. Violet. And what's the other one? This looks gold, maybe? I don't know. Gold? Yeah. Those are pretty nice. So there's those. They're metallic, but they're not like real sparkly, like a gel pen or anything. And let's do the microns. Micron 05. That's a good size. I usually use a 3 for a regular size, but this is a thin one, micron 01. And then the big one, ooh, micron 10. So there's those. It's a cool gray. I don't know if it gives you, did it say? Where's the container they came in? Don't know. Oh, yeah, just this cool gray. So there's no, all right, get rid of that, and then the Stabilo. Red, oh, that's nice. Nice dark red. Guess I'll just write red several times in different shades. This looks pink. Oh, that's really light. That one's fluorescent. Orange. Best color ever. And another orange. All right, so there's those colors. I don't think there's anything else. that's it. Oh, this marker, I suppose I can get this thing going. Acrylic. So, yeah, I mean, it's fine for coloring in a big space, but it's just, look at how messy it is. That's why I like the brush tips, but that's fine. I can use that for something. And that's it, is it? So, and the pencil. Pencil. And eraser. Oh, it's one of those, it's like the plastic erasers, that's what it is. Oh, wrong one. And oh, and the leads, it's a 0.5. So what I'm gonna do is take all this stuff and do something with it. And I'll come back with my drawing. I'll do a drawing in my sketchbook. And we'll see what happens. I gotta find a picture to work from because I don't know, I don't have any idea. So I will be back with that. Okay, this is what I came up with for the Artsnacks travel collection. So there's all the, I did use all of the items. I don't like the sticker on this, it keeps coming off. I really had a hard time with this. It was very difficult to work with. I'm not sure why, but I had to continually just press and press and press and press to get the ink to go. Everything else was okay. I used the pencil for the drawing underneath, and I used all the markers. I mean, I just used one of the microns, but they're all the same. They're just a different width or whatever. So, and I used the book. So I came up with this. It's a, let me see it okay. I'm gonna bring it up. So I used the black paint pen for the cat. I used the grays for inside here, and I did some outlining with it too. Inside, this is supposed to be hot chocolate. I didn't have a brown pen. That was what was difficult, is I wanted to use the brighter colors, but because it was such a thin line, it was hard to get it in there because it just would have taken forever to like fill in a spot. So I did the spots on the cup, and then I did kind of scribbles in the background. That and that and that and that. Okay, so I used those. And I did use the pencil for the background. I did, those are the grays. Okay, well I didn't use this because I was sitting in the other room, but I used this for outlining too, for outlining around here. And I used these mostly for everything else, for the scarf and the face and all that stuff. So yeah, I really like these. King Art. So I wouldn't mind getting more of these. They're, like I said, they're like the Stabilo 68s, which I have, and I do like those. So yeah, those are really good. I love the colors with these, but like I said, they're just so thin. They're good for if you're doing thin work, but I really wanted to use, you know, the colors and couldn't really do it. This is good. It's good for outlining. Like I said, I had trouble with this. Of course, the microns are always good, and that's it. Yeah, I really like, I liked everything that came in here for the most part. So that's it for this. Like I said, I did order the Inktober box. That won't be out until September, of course, and Inktober's quite a while away. I was not going to do it this year. I said last year I did. I'm like, nah, I'm not going to do it. And every year I always do it. So I don't know why I try to fool myself into thinking I won't. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. And thanks for watching. And I'll see you next week.